So, ladies and gentlemen, the next song I'm about to sing is titled Cry Me a River. I don't know if you've ever been heartbroken before, but I know I have. So imagine you're giving yourself to someone and the person is playing with your heart. So this song was a freestyle though, but I spent the whole night recording this song. So he wants me back, but I'm not going back. Okay, ahead. So that's the story behind this song, Cry Me a River.
So deep, now it's hard to say goodbye. Now me there when no one did, yeah. I show you love, you don't show me back, oh. Let me say, now me they keep your shine, no. But now me there when no one did there. No, I'm not gonna fit to take you back, oh no. I'm not gonna let you make you drag me back, oh no. Now only come up here to pay you back. No. Shabby na me they kill you shine. I beg, wait. Oh no. Cry me a river. Baby, make you cry me a river. Oh, cry me a river. Baby, make you cry me a river. Cry me a river. Oh no. Cry me a river. You cry me a river. Cry, baby, oh. Cry, baby, oh. Cry, baby, oh. Cry me a river. I no go fit to take you back, oh no. Hey. You make you drag me. No. Now only come up here to pay you back. No. Shame na me they kill you shine. I beg, wait, oh no. Cry me a river. Cry me a river. Cry me a river. Oh, cry me a river. Oh, make you cry me a river. No. Cry me a river. Cry me a river. Yeah. No. Oh, make you cry me. Yeah. I don't go fit to take you back. Oh, no. Drag me. No. Now only come up here to pay you. No. Shame na me they kill your shine. I beg, wait, oh no. Let me hear the strings. Cry me a river. Cry me a river. Let me hear the strings play.